Hello everyone. Welcome back to in today's video. I'll show you how to delete chats in ChatGPT in just a few easy steps. If you want to remove old conversations or clear your chat history, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone or go to the website on your computer. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. This will open a list of all your recent conversations. Now, scroll through the list and find the chat you want to delete. Tap on that chat to open it. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots menu. A small menu will appear with different options. From here, tap on Delete. Now you'll see a confirmation pop up asking if you really want to delete this conversation. Just tap Delete again to confirm. And that's it. Your selected chat will be permanently removed from your ChatGPT history. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.